Hi there, this is Edwin Serrano, owner of Home Pros Painting, coming to you with another Take a Minute to Get It topic. Weathered wood is almost impossible to make look new again, even after painting. What I mean by weathered wood is wood or siding that looks rough, splintered, cracked, or if you didn't know any better, dry rotted. What typically happens is that the environmental exposure, coupled with a lack of primer prior to painting, erodes the surface of the wood, giving it this rough look. We have come across instances where we painted weathered wood, and we have had homeowners tell us that the wood looked like it needed another coat of paint. In reality, the wood was painted appropriately. However, because of the texture, it just looked slightly rougher. In these instances, no matter how good of a paint is used, the surface will end up still looking weathered. The best way to avoid this is to ensure there's always a good coat of paint on all your wood surfaces. This may mean setting yourself up on some kind of home painting schedule. Perhaps you schedule your home to be painted every 8 to 10 years. This way you minimize the risk of having the weathered looking wood or siding. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we will catch you on the next one.